Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a really exciting reveal and I wasn't really sure I wanted to reveal this, but I thought, well, I think I better because I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of questions. So I have this really interesting looking box right here, and if you've been following me for a while, you'll be probably screaming what this is, and I think you'll probably get it right. So I want this video to be really quick. I don't want it to be like 3 hours long, but buying this item was a little bit of a surprise. It's definitely not a planned purchase, but yes. Okay, so this is the box and there's some paperwork. I'm gonna reveal this item first and then talk you guys through what happened. So this is the love bracelet. I can't believe it. Yes, I got the love bracelet and oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's so gorgeous. Alright. Okay, so let me talk you through how in the world I suddenly bought a love bracelet out of blue, because yes, this is actually a second-hand Cartier love bracelet. A friend on Instagram contacted me and we were just chatting, and she was telling me how much she enjoyed one of my videos, and when she saw me talk about the love bracelet, she went all out to get it, and she got one, which is a white gold one. And I looked at it, I was like, are you sure it's real? And she's like, yeah, it's real. And she got it for a really good price, half the price of a brand new piece. So I was really intrigued by that. I was like, that's a really good price. So anyway, I contacted the seller and I wanted yellow gold, and I was a little bit hesitant at first, but she gave me all the paperwork. So I have the receipt. Oh, this is the certificate of purchase, I think. So let me see what I can. And this is the authenticity card, and as you can see, I don't think you guys can see that, but the date is 22nd December 2006. So this is actually a 12-year-old piece, and I wish you guys can see how amazing the condition is. It is practically new. She probably wore it a few times, and yes, there are scratches on it, but these kind of scratches is probably as much as what I have on my Cartier watch as well. They are, yeah, like I think everybody knows that these bracelets are easily scratched, so it is really amazing. So the Cartier here, it has all the wordings at the back, and then the 750 is on this side. So this is actually the old mechanism, meaning that both screws do come off. So let me just open them to show you. Oh, I have this screwdriver that I put a little bit of tape there because I'm not the most careful when I'm screwing stuff. Okay, so the two screws are here and the bracelet comes off like this. 2 pieces. I know the old mechanism is a little bit more dangerous because you can actually lose the screws. But you know what? I love this love bracelet. I really love it, but I just can't pay $9,000 for it. So when I heard that it's half the price, or nearly, okay, 50 odd percent, I jumped at the opportunity because I thought, you know, I will scratch it up anyway, and how scratched it is, I think I will put some close up, just take a photo of it, and you can see that it's in amazing condition. So I'm really pleased with this purchase, and I wanted to do this reveal because I'll be wearing it on my arm. So I know in my next video if I wear it and you guys will be like, oh my god, you want to tell me more about it? Yeah, so I might as well do the reveal and just share it with you. So I'm going to wear it on right now. I actually haven't screwed it in yet, but this is how it looks like on my arm. I really like it. So I think I'll be wearing my stack like this. I always wear my Fitbit, so this is the ugly thing on my arm. But yeah, I wanted this, I'll always wear my nomination bracelet, so I'll wear this a little bit on the first side, how do you say, like the topmost, because this is a size 16, and when I tried it in store, like the real Cartier store, this is real, okay, but you know, I mean like the actual Cartier store, I'm actually a size 15. Like I can wear a size 15 nearer to my wrist, But she was saying that, you know, the lady was also saying that, you know, maybe you should go for a 16 because you want it to move up and down. So because it can move up and down, I will wear it like at the top here. Then I've got my nomination bracelet, and I'm going to use this Fitbit to kind of block these two Tiffany bracelets so that, you know, they don't kind of go over and scratch up my really expensive bracelet. So yes, I have bought it, I got it, and yeah, I want to try out the style first, you know what I mean, rather than jump into the whole and pay like 9,000 Singapore dollars for it, and what if I don't like it or get sick of it or something. And yeah, but I do like it, I like the style. But I do know that that's one thing that I guess if you guys go to the gym, you may not realize this, but when I do my classes, this thing, when I do my boxing or I do my like my gym, you know, my weight training classes, I do knock this a little bit on my equipment, right? So I kind of like bump it around, and when I do this, it's moving up and down like pick pop, pick pop. So I feel like there's a lot of impact on my bracelet, and that's something that I didn't realize. Like if I spent $9,000, I'll be like really irritated myself. Now that I spent half of that price, I feel like okay, so I do know that I can't wear it all the time. I know some people would wear it all the time and never take it off, but for me, because I have my gym lifestyle, I do have to take it off, right? So it would be a weekend bracelet. It will be something that I will wear during the weekend, and not forever and ever gonna be stuck on my wrist because of my gym. So now that I know I do like the style, I like it, I really like it. But I think for my next bracelet, for my next Cartier bracelet, I won't get a love bracelet anymore. I might actually get the one that you can take out and take in more easily, and that fits my active lifestyle a little bit better. Yeah, so that's something to think about when you're, you know, getting this bracelet. If you're thinking about getting the love bracelet, you know, you just want it. Do think about your lifestyle, right? Like I don't know, it didn't even occur to me because I'm so used to wearing my nomination bracelet that I'm not too aware of it. But this bracelet doesn't really move up and down so much because it's pretty tight, and I don't know, there's something about it. But if I want to take it out, I can easily pull it, you know, it's stretchable. But this, I would have to bring my screw along and all that. So yeah, it's not that I don't love it, okay, but it's an afterthought. I was like, interesting. So I can't be doing my classes with it so often. I could, but yeah, I'm not doing it at the moment because it is, even though it's not new, it is new to me, and it's not like a little change. It is quite a bit of money. But yes. Oh, by the way, I have a receipt as well. So let me see whether I can. So the receipt has that Cartier stuff and all that. I don't know whether I should be showing the receipt, but okay. Anyway, yeah. So you have seen the cert, the receipt, but I know I should authenticate this. I know I should be authenticating it. I should be bringing it to Cartier to check out. But I have been researching so many like fake Cartier ones, and I've been researching the real ones. I've been looking at my own Cartier watch, like when I turn it around, the Cartier carving and not carving, the engraving and all that. It's perfect, okay, it's perfect. There are no like funky bumps and everything. Some of the fake Cartier ones, you can tell they're fake. You know, the Cartier engraving is not as sharp and as clean as this. So when I took my watch and I looked at the back, I'm like, yes, I struggle, because it is, yeah, it is perfect. It is perfect. The spacing is perfect. Everything is perfect. The word is perfect. It's, yeah, it's just done like so. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions about this item, let me know in the comments down below, or even Instagram message me. I will definitely get back to you. Otherwise, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!